we are going to learn how to multiply with low base. We start with new example with 97. Multiply with 97. For 97 we take base 100. First step, we minus first number 97 with the base 100 equal to 3. Next we minus second number 97 with the base 100 equal to 3. We add 0 before. Now, we multiply both digit 3 into 3 equal to 9. We write 9, but we have 3 base digit, so we need 2 unit digit, so we add 0 before 9. Now we minus cross, y is 3 to 97, equal to 94. Now we multiply 94 with base. For base 100, we take 1, so 94 into 1, equal 94. We write 94. Our final answer 9,409. We start with new example with 194. Multiply with 197. For 197 we take base 200. First step, we minus first number 194 with the base 200 equal to 6. Next we minus second number 197 with the base 200 equal to 3. Now, we multiply both digit 3 into 6 equal to 18. We write 18. Now we minus cross, y's, 3 to 194. We minus cross, y's, 6 to 197. Equal to 191. Now we multiply 191 with base. For base 200, we take 2, so 191 into 2, equal 382. We write 382. Our final answer 38,218. We start with new example with 595. Multiply with 596. For 596 we take base 600. First step, we minus first number 595 with the base 600 equal to 5. Next we minus second number 596 with the base 600 equal to 4. We add 0 before. Now, we multiply both digit 5 into 4 equal to 20. We write 20. Now we minus cross, y's, 4 to 595. And we minus cross, y's, 5 to 596, both have same number 591. Now we multiply 591 with base. For base 600, we take 6, so 591 into 6, equal 3546. we write 3546. Our final answer 354,620. Similarly for 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 you can use same method.